Stop playing with these niggas.
What?
You hurt somebody?
I had to hurt somebody that day. Them niggas was damn near fucking that bitch with clothes on.
What? You know, what's up, vlog? You know, I haven't picked up a camera in a minute. You know, second day I work, that nigga got cut. I ain't gonna lie, that nigga got cut, bro. I'm mad as fuck. I only work like, what, 2 hours today?
Nigga, look at this. Like 60 people just walked out the fucking building.
Yeah, especially in the morning too, bro. Like, people can't even clock in. That shit was bad. But no, yesterday I worked the whole full shift. That shit felt good. I'm here expecting I'm gonna do the same shit today, man. Shorty. But speaking about today, fucking, I'm over here telling the lady that I'm with today.
The trainer?
Yeah, the trainer, whatever.
She's not a lady. That's a little ass girl. She's like,
I call everybody lady up there.
She's like 3 years older than this, maybe.
She's still in school. She trying to put me on this high school she go to. I mean, not high school, this college she go to. She says it's like a party school. So I was like, I might check it out. But fuck that. I'm trying to fucking do the work. Because, you know, I did this shit yesterday. I already know what to do, low key, right? Mm-hmm. She doing slow pace with me, bro. I'm like, bro, I'm getting mad as fuck. I don't like slow pace, bro. I like fast pace. She over here telling me how to stack the boxes. Like, I don't know how to stack the boxes. She already tell me all this shit I already knew since yesterday.
You don't know how to stack no boxes?
I don't know how to stack boxes, bro. I know how to stack. I did that shit yesterday, bro. I did that in like 4+ trucks, nigga. Actually, more than 4+. I did hella trucks yesterday.
Yeah, you ain't do them bitches right. You did them bitches. You ain't do them bitches right.
My wash is still, bro. My wash is him. It's like other trucks when I walk into that bit, it was like fucked up. Like the empty truck that I did, the walls that I started and all that shit, it was him.
Yeah, you started some empty walls. You heard yourself. None of them full walls, you know. Bitches would have started leaning and shit.
Bro. My shit don't lean, but my shit perfect. I'm telling you, I know how to stack boxes. Who don't know how to stack boxes? It's boxes.
You'd be surprised.
Yeah, I bet some niggas be fucking up, but I'm not one of them niggas, bro. But back to the prank idea, bro. I'm finna just tell you what I was finna do. I even texted your homeboy Wesley about it too, Kai.
What did he say?
He was like, actually, I asked him if he had the product that I need. He was like, nah. He was like, all right, go. Do your shit. But, I don't know if I should tell you, because I really want to do it on your ass instead.
So you gonna do it on my brother?
No, on you. I could do it on your brother. He'll be like, I thought you was doing it on him. But I don't know.
Should do it on one of my people.
You want to do it on your ball? The prank that I want to do, like I've been playing. It's like, it's kind of simple, bro. You just gonna need a car wash after.
Nah.
What you mean, dog?
Actually, I just got a membership, but
yeah, the prank. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna tell you what I was supposed to do to you yesterday, bro. You know the chalk spray?
Mm-hmm.
I was supposed to spray your shit up, cuz. Oh my mama, I was supposed to spray your shit up. And when you were asleep, I was supposed to wake you up like, bruh, somebody graffitied on your car, bruh. Even though you just got that shit clean. Because I walked outside and that shit was clean. I was like, damn, this the perfect timing, too.
Yeah, I probably been pissed at first.
I would have said, but chill, bruh. It could come off, look. I would have paid for your car wash and everything, though.
I have a membership. I'm going to pay for it. Well, I pay monthly now.
I'll tell you shit. So you just took it to the car wash.
Nigga.
Bruh.
This nigga said some dumb shit.
All right. Yeah, I gotta tell you, have y'all ever smelled something, right? Not smelled that. Have you ever sneezed or have your parents ever sneezed? Y'all smelled the air and that shit smelled disgusting? This nigga said this some dumb shit, bro. Like, he said he never heard some shit like that before. I know I'm not the only one, bro. I know I'm not the only one.
Smell a fucking sneeze.
Bro, yes you can.
That's like saying you smelled a cough. What the fuck?
Nigga, what you can't, bro. You can smell a sneeze, bro. You know, if you have a strong nose like me, you'll know what a sneeze smell like. That shit smells disgusting.
Smell the breath. You don't smell the fucking.
Bro.
You don't smell the sneeze, nigga.
Nigga, you smell the sneeze.
So if I sneeze right now, you can smell that bitch?
Yes.
This nigga
It depends how, bro. It depends, bro.
This nigga's talking stupid to me.
Bro, I'm telling you right now, bro. If somebody, like, bro, Who was the last time? It was my aunt, not grandma, right? She sneezed, but I smelled that shit. I was like, what the fuck? That shit stink. oh God, bro. I swear to God, that shit stink. I have vouchers too, man. I don't have vouchers too, man. Just wait. I'm gonna ask.
She probably was eating, you know, her breath probably was a little faded that day, you know what I'm saying? A little jank.
Bruh. Well, I'm gonna ask your mom this, bruh. Cause ain't no way you never heard of some shit like that before.
That's some stupid shit. I ain't gonna lie to you.
How's
Say
that
it no
stupid,
more.
bruh? How's that stupid? I wouldn't know how's that stupid. You never smelled they sneeze, bruh. So if somebody said, you not gonna smell that bitch?
Why the fuck did someone see somebody go sniff? What the fuck? Nigga, I'm not. That's some stupid shit. Nigga, first off, I'm not trying to get sick. Second, what the fuck am I smelling?
Listen, look, bro. Open the door right now. Open this door, you can smell the sneeze in the air. Yes. Oh my mama, you can smell the sneeze in the air. It's like it smells different, man. I don't know. It's just me. I can smell it.
Wait, are you calling pollen a sneeze?
Pollen?
Yeah.
That's pollen in the air?
Like allergies, like you smelling like shit that aggravates your allergies. That's what you talking about, a sneeze, nigga?
No, bruh.
You talking about a real sneeze, like an achoo, nigga.
Like, what are the big ass sneezes?
Yeah, you a damn lie. There ain't no such thing.
If somebody be like, you see spit and all that shit come out of their mouth, and it's like a big ass one, and you just breathe it, like regularly breathing, you just, what the fuck? You gonna catch that swift, that little smell past your nose. Like when I was walking out here, like as soon as I walked out this car in the morning, bro, I said, what the fuck, smell like sneeze out here? Oh God, it smell like sneeze. And when I was coming back to the car, I was like, this like fucking sneeze. I'm like, sneeze out here. Like, bro, you don't understand. You don't smell sneeze, bro. You don't fucking bro.
Yo, my nigga. Listen what my little cousin just told me, bro.
Go ahead.
This nigga just said, bro, it smelled like sneeze outside.
What?
Hey,
Nigga, what?
This nigga said, you ever heard somebody sneeze and sniff the air? Nigga, he said, this nigga's dead ass too. He talking about something he finna call his brother and be like, you can smell a sneeze, right? I ain't never heard no stupid shit like that.
Nigga, it's facts though.
Bro,
No.
oh God, that's exactly what I said. What the fuck?
You don't smell it after it just hit your nose.
Nigga, you probably smell a nigga breath when you real close to him or some shit. I don't
No,
know.
bro, I'm telling you, bro.
What it smell like outside, Joe?
Bro,
This nigga said some sneeze.
It smell regular to you though.
Yeah, nigga, smell like summer. Smell like when allergies finna start kicking in and shit. I thought that's what he was trying to say at first, nigga, but he was dead ass saying sneeze, like.
Bro, see, he said it smell like sneeze outside.
Bro, I ain't never heard no shit. What you want? You finna go to work?
Nah, bro, I'm gonna go get some donuts.
No, fat ass. But a significant minority do report a sweet or floral smell when they sneeze. I don't know if they sound like some shit that stink. Let me fucking, where's Luigi number? Ain't that nigga in trouble? I don't know.
I be thinking the same shit. I be thinking about, bro. No, fuck that. What's that nigga name?
Don't record this fucking
No, fuck that. Fuck that.
I ain't talking
No,
no
listen.
more.
Listen, Bobo, you see how tall that nigga is, right? Right? You see his girl? His girl actually low-key bad as fuck. I ain't gonna cap. Bad as fuck. How the fuck did he fuck that? His tall ass. Nigga gotta have an extendo bed. Oh God. Nigga just laying down, let her do all the work.
Yo, me, he probably got an Asian bitch too. How the fuck?
You know what I mean? Oh my God. But like, I ain't gonna lie, I feel like Shaq just picked his girl up. His strong ass.
Now I think about it, he probably just fucking put her up here type shit. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Like a little ass kid or some shit.
And just let her. I don't know.
Or probably sit her down. I don't know. He can't do too much though.
This nigga what? I'm telling you, it's either her doing the work or it's him. Cause that nigga is pretty strong.
That nigga motherfucker can't do no back shots. I know that much.
Why not?
Nigga, he gonna be the fucking humping the air above her ass.
he could go down on his knees.
Nigga, he gonna have to lay down on her like type shit. He ain't doing no normal back shots. Man.
Not gonna lie.
Or he gonna have to be lifting her ass up while he doing them shits.
Or he gonna bend them knees. I know he ain't gonna bend them knees. Hell nah.
Nigga.
I don't know, bro. If you're over like 6'8", I wonder how you fuck. I just want to know. I'm just curious at this point. I might just search this shit up.
Search it up. What?
Yeah, on the Pornhub.
What?
No kids, bro. Just for research purposes, though.
What?
Research purposes, though.
No way.
And I'm like, bro, how do 6'8", 7'1" niggas fuck? And I know it got to be a video out there.
I remember there's a clip. I didn't watch this shit through though, but someone had asked Shaq. I just didn't watch that whole through.
No funny shit though. Like no funny shit. I can record you real quick though. I have a YouTube. It's for the reaction. Cause this nigga, I'm from Florida, right? And from Florida, niggas be like, you know how niggas sneeze and shit.
Mm-hmm.
You can smell sneeze, right?
Yo, bro, is this shit? Hey, Joe, what the fuck going on, Jay? Yo,
You can't smell sneeze, bro.
no, you can't smell a sneeze, bro.
Bro, I think it's a Florida thing, bro. These Texas people,
Yo, this nigga swear you can smell a fucking sneeze, bro.
bro. You can't smell, bro.
Never in my life I've
Hey,
ever
man.
heard no shit.
So you
like
tell
that.
me if somebody sneezed right there in front of you, like right there next to you, and that shit not gonna hit your nose, bro?
It is, but I'm not gonna smell it though.
No, that's what I'm saying. Like you can smell like sneeze have a smell to it.
Nobody see this
I
nigga
don't
came.
know. I ain't never smelled sneeze.
This nigga came to the car.
No, I'm not just saying like,
Yo, I thought
like
you
bro,
was
it did smell like sneeze outside. Like I'm walking
It
outside,
smell like sneeze outside.
nigga.
When you came to Houston?
Huh?
When you came to Houston?
I think this is like a week now.
Damn, that's funny.
Like, bro, you never walked outside, but like, damn, bro, somebody sneezed.
Hey, Joe, you heard that before?
never heard
Me either, bro.
This y'all first time for real?
Yes. Hey, it smell like somebody sneezed.
What the fuck?
That's wild.
Bruh, I think it's a
Alright,
Florida
bro.
thing, bro. Thank you, bro.
You
I think it's a Florida thing, bro. It gotta be a Florida thing.
I'm telling you, that shit's crazy. Ain't nobody heard no crazy shit like that.
So nobody just
That
smells
ain't no
sneeze.
shit neither, nigga. That's
But if y'all watch,
That's
when I
your
post
family.
this shit, please comment on the video. If
That's
you
your
ever
family
like
shit.
went outside and just be like, damn, somebody just
that's
sneezed.
your family type shit, nigga.
Like,
That ain't
bruh,
nobody
let
said
me
that.
know if y'all know what I'm talking about. I can't be the only one that don't know. Like, that do know what I'm talking about. Like, bruh,
My mama finna come in this motherfucker, nigga.
I'm gonna ask your mom. You gonna see. This shit is shocking me at this point. Cause Joey said this is not normal.
Please.
Cause he said
answer that.
this is not normal.
What's not normal?
So you ever like walked outside, right?
Uh-huh.
And like you ever said it smell like sneeze out here?
Smoking.
No, just
Sneeze.
sneeze. Like
When I chew, ma, I chew. He said it. He came to the car. He said it smells like sneeze outside. I said, what is that? I thought he was talking about like allergies, like like you can smell like the pollen. You know what I mean?
Uh-huh.
I thought that's what he said. He said no, sneeze like it stink. Yeah, I was like, what? I ain't never heard that in my life.
you never heard that, Auntie?
No.
For real?
I hear it smell like a sneeze.
You never heard that?
No, it smells stink out there because they smoke out there and they do
I've heard
everything out there.
everything
Yeah,
but sneeze.
I've
I've
What?
heard it smell like the back of my knee. I heard it smell like elbow. It smelled like I smelled
smell
everything.
like a sneeze. Smell like you want to sneeze.
No, it just smell like a sneeze. Like
I
you
thought
ever
that too.
like
You can smell sneeze.
yes. Like you ever like
I tell
let's
him.
say like grandma, right?
Uh-huh.
Let's say that grandma sneezes.
You smell it?
You can
Oh,
smell it like it smells
I'm gonna look
weird.
at him.
It smells like it's nasty.
Really?
Yes.
I don't know that.
What?
I've
This just
never smelled a sneeze.
I
No
think
one has,
I
Mom.
think it's
He
just a
hasn't
Florida
smelled a
thing.
sneeze.
I think it's just a
He
Florida
hasn't smelled
thing.
a sneeze.
You think I'm Florida too?
I think it's a Florida thing. Cause bro, I'm telling you, I could Harry, all of them say the same thing. If somebody's like, if somebody steals our family, they were like, "Hey, it's steak." I'm telling you,
that's his family thing. I told him that. I said, "That's your family." He said, "What's the name?" That his mom used to say. I said, "Y'all got her on it too."
No, mom. If you sneeze for my mom and it's steak, she'll get mad. I'm telling you, she'll get mad.
I just sneeze. You smell the sneeze.
Yes.
I told him to call somebody. You still haven't called nobody. I told him to call.
Wait, I'm gonna call somebody.
I called Dre. I said, Dre, have you ever heard somebody say that? No. I talked to one of the managers here. I asked them, have you ever heard somebody say that? No.
No, I'm never.
Bro, that's crazy.
I'm as Norris.
Yo, Jeff.
Good morning, bro. How are you?
Bro, good. I got a question for you though. Hold on. Let me go to my cousin real quick. Cause he don't believe me when I say this shit.
Who is this?
This my Zoe, right? This is my friend. Listen, Jeff.
Yeah.
When somebody sneeze, right? Can you smell it?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. These people in Texas do not believe me, bro. They was like, oh, what are you talking about? You sound retarded.
You got some goofy friends.
Bro, you can smell it, dude. Thank you. That's all you have to say.
Hey.
Yes, bro.
You cannot smell a sneeze, nigga.
Yes, you
You can smell
can.
someone's breath. You cannot smell a sneeze.
It's a certain smell to a sneeze, bro. I'm telling you.
Nigga, you cannot smell a sneeze, bro.
Bro, thank you, Jeff. I'm gonna call somebody else.
Bro, niggas is tweaking.
Thank you, bro. I got one question. Please answer this honestly. I got one question.
Stop adding all that extra shit.
Shut up.
Stop adding all that
When somebody sneeze, right?
No, just say, can you smell a sneeze?
Can you smell a sneeze?
Yeah, they drove.
Thank you.
Wait, what she say? Whoa,
Thank you.
Wait, she said something.
What you said? Can you smell a sneeze?
Yeah, they drove.
Thank you.
Dude, you keep talking every time she say the whatever she said. You just said she agreed with you.
Ma. Mama. I got a question for you.
What question now?
All right. When somebody sneeze, right? Can you smell it?
No, yes?
Thank you. All right. That's all I had to ask.
Who do that?
Huh?
Who sneeze?
No, I'm just saying. Joey said, "Oh, you can't smell sneeze." I'm like, "Yes, you can."
Yeah, just said it.
Thank you.
Cannot smell a sneeze.
Yo, DJ, bro.
Yo,
Answer me this one question, dude. We good.
what happened?
Can you smell a sneeze?
Can I smell who?
Can you smell a sneeze?
Can I spell sneeze?
A sneeze.
Hold on, bro. You said what?
Can you smell a sneeze, bro?
No.
Bro.
Thank you. Hey, that's my nigga right there.
All right, bro. Bye.
That's my nigga right there.
What's up, gangy? I got a question.
What's the question? Go ahead. Shoot.
Can you smell a sneeze?
Can I smell what?
Can you smell a sneeze?
Can you smell a sneeze? No.
Bro, what the fuck? All right, bro.
I love these people.
How do you smell a sneeze?
You can smell a sneeze, bro. Trust me, you can smell a sneeze, bro.
I love these people.
Like an actual scent or like feel it coming on?
Like a scent right when they sneeze.
Nah, make sure she know. Not her own sneeze, other people.
Yeah. Oh,
My friend said yeah.
Thank you. Her friend. She asked her friend. Her friend said yeah, but she said no.
Henry, bro.
This bitch nigga right here. This nigga did not believe me, right? Listen.
Get the camera out.
This nigga
Here we go.
said. This nigga said you can't smell a sneeze. Can you smell a sneeze?
Just look good.
Thank you.
Let me see this shit. Henry. Yo, who came with this dumb ass shit? You can smell a sneeze, nigga.
Thank you. How can you
Nigga,
not smell a
it's not
sneeze, nigga?
scent. It's not a scent. What the fuck is we talking about?
You're weird. Give my phone, bro.
No, bro. Why? Hey,
Give my phone, bro.
I can't hear him. You screaming. Explain what a sneeze smell like.
I mean, a sneeze, basically all that saliva that's all up in there, you know?
So you can.
Can you smell a sneeze, bro?
Oh, no, like dead ass.
Can you smell a sneeze? He think I'm playing around. I'm dead ass.
You know what I'm talking about? Hey, when niggas be sneezing, you can smell that shit? Bro, what?
He said what?
He said, fuck no.
Thank you. Hey, that's.
All right, cuz answer this question.
Who's that? Rihanna?
Yeah, this Rihanna. Answer this question. Can you smell a sneeze?
Hell no.
Bro.
Hey, hey, let me see this phone. Let me see the phone. No. Don't hang up on him. Don't-
Hold on.
Let me see the phone. Let me see the phone. Hey, look, cuz. Hey, all I have to say is I love you. That's all I gotta say.
Hang on the phone.
The real nigga.
Hang on the phone. Luigi, bro. Can you smell a sneeze? Bro, what's so funny, bro?
Yes, you can smell a sneeze.
Thank
This
you.
nigga's a lie. This nigga's like, he said that because I started laughing. This nigga know damn well you can't smell no goddamn sneeze.
Nigga, ask anybody. Nigga, ask Henry.
Thank you, man. You can smell it.
No fucking
Hey, what it smell like?
sneeze,
What it smell like?
That shit smell nasty as fuck.
Thank
bro. You
you.
cannot smell a fucking sneeze.
Can you smell a sneeze?
What?
Can you smell a sneeze?
A sneeze?
Yeah.
Spell a sneeze?
No, smell.
Smell a sneeze?
Yeah.
No.
Thank you.
You said what? You said it depends if that breath is nasty? But how though?
I told you. Hey, give her the phone. Give her the phone.
Like, you feel me? What ear though? Like,
I told. Give her the phone, Keith. Give her the phone, Keith.
no, man. You look fucking retarded.
No, give her the phone.
I'm not giving my phone. No.
Then turn the phone to her. Turn the phone to her then. Turn the phone to her. Let me rinse, cuz. Let me rinse. Let me rinse. Let me rinse. Fuck no.